stressful times that we are going through, especially in the pandemic, health and wellness are the two most important aspects that is central to our lives. If we are able to keep ourselves healthy by eating healthy food, by having healthy exercise, and by having a temperament that is in consonance with the surrounding, and if we are able to maintain ourselves in a manner that is befitting of the stress that we are going through, I believe that we would have achieved a lot as human beings. Health and wellness has been central to our culture for many years. In fact, for centuries, we draw our strengths from health and wellness practices. I do hope that all the initiatives that are being put together around health and wellness are given the centrality that they deserve, because this indeed is the essence of good living, of healthy living.
Hello, I'm Nithya Rajendran and my venture Music Brooks. I'm very excited to partner with Ayur DNA. Having been an Indian classical musician for many decades now, I have experienced the wonderful aesthetic potential already. But over the years, I've had the fortune of discovering and imparting the potential for spiritual and holistic wellness that Indian classical music has to many people, and I want to extend that to more people through the Ayur DNA platform. Super excited, Gopi. Best wishes to you and your team.
Dear friends, we are all going through a very difficult time in our lives. The pandemic has affected each one of us, and in this environment, it is important that we continue to prosper and at the same time address issues relating to our emotional and mental well-being. With Ayur DNA, Gopinath Nair has ventured into uncharted territory and will provide services relating to emotional and mental well-being under one roof. Though a number of these therapies emanated in India, this sector continues to be unorganized. I wish Gopi the very best in this unique initiative.
Congratulations, Gopi and the team, on the launch of Ayur DNA. I think there's no better time than this to be launching Ayur DNA. Kalidasa has said, Sharira Madhyam, Khalu Dharma Sadhanam. One needs to be mentally and physically fit and healthy to pursue his path of righteousness and dharma. And for that, Ayurveda, being an ancient Indian healthcare system, holistic in its approach, helps us prevent disorders and remain healthy and fit mentally and physically, and understand our DNA better. So I think you've brought both of this very well together in Ayur DNA. So once again, congratulations, best wishes to you and your team. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Vasundhara Das. We at Drum Jam are aware of the power of music in dealing with stress and wellness. Music and sound have the power to help people deal with anxiety induced by uncertainty. It has the power to give clarity to our thoughts and to give us the mental space to process and react optimally to change.
Saukya being the pioneer in holistic health and well-being globally, we are happy to associate with Ayur DNA in this new exciting venture. Health and wellness is the need of the hour, and several players like Ayur DNA would add a lot of value to this. Wishing Gopi and his team all the very best.
I first experienced the power and magic of Ayurveda more than 50 years ago, when one of my older siblings was transformed from a weak little girl to a young, vibrant adolescent by the experts from Kotikal Ayurvedishala. So, during COVID-19, when I started exploring my plan B for my business, there was no other choice but Ayurveda and traditional healing. So as we prepare to launch IUDNA today, me and my team are very excited at the prospect of taking natural, traditional healing and Ayurveda to millions of you across the world. Do join us in this beautiful journey of natural and traditional healing.